All right, guys, welcome back. You thought the video was over, but Steve had a great idea to add to some bonus content in the video. We turned off the video. He chastised me a little bit. And he said, well, why don't you show him some of the tools that are in there? I'm like, all right. So once we've used the Miller stripper here to strip open our flat drop, you can see how versatile this kit is. We can use different tools here to prepare this cable, so why not? So, I don't know, Steve, I'll grab maybe my side cutting pliers. Here's my cable stripper, my buffer tube stripper, some icky clean, some of the cleaning.
Kevlar shears.
Kevlar scissors, good point. And so look what we can do here, guys. If we want to prepare this fiber, the first thing we can do is cut our Kevlar with our Kevlar scissors. Great tool. Good set of scissors here. If we need to get these strength members out of the way, I'll use my side cutters. Let's say we need them. If we needed them at a specific length, we could use the tape to measure that. So we'll pop these off.
Cut your outer jacket with those too, John.
Yeah, good call. We'll get rid of the outer jacket with these dikes too. I'm sorry, side cutting pliers, whatever. Old school. Now we've exposed, here's our loose tube with our fibers, and it has the gel inside of it. This is that new tool I talked about. No better time than right now to show it. Don't just talk it, show it. So you can see this little tool again, Miller, Ripley. We just squeeze, pop it over the tube, give it a couple twists. Look at this, no damage to the fiber. We've scored it. How easy was that? And then we can go in here with our cleaner that comes with this thing, use some pre-moistened towelettes. Love the orange smell.
The orange smell is nice.
I don't like the icky pick, but I like the orange smell. You know, we can go ahead here and squeaky clean it. All right, we can clean our table. If we wanted to do after this, we could take our alcohol and our wipes and clean off the icky clean. We can take our strippers here, 3-hole fiber strippers. If we had to strip our fibers, we could go ahead and do that. So, yeah, this tool is great. It's for all kinds of cables, right? This doesn't have to be flat drop.
This is just
right?
one cable as an example.
Yeah, and we can split our fibers here, which isn't going well for me yet. Guys, you're supposed to clean it with wipes and alcohol. There we go. And I can use my stripper here and break the first fiber. That's always important.
We'll use that for the bloopers.
Yeah, right. And then we can strip. So we've already used half the tools in this kit. If I get my connectors on here, I can do some visual light.
On the other end.
Yeah, we can put this visual fault right on the end here. We can see if we have continuity.
As you do.
You can see the red light right here, guys. So another tool we could use, just a ton of tools and some great cleaning stuff here. Our one-clicks for our connectors. Once we get our connectors on, you know, we can clean the ends. So this kit it just has everything, Steve. I like it.
And once this is installed and spliced, you can put your power meter on.
Right.
Check your DB.
Check the DB loss. So guys, bonus content. Wanted to show you some of the tools. We talk about them. Let's use them. So, all right, now we're done. I promise.
Check out our channel and hit the subscribe button for new videos.